Hi everyone, my name is Sanjoli and welcome to an introduction to R. So my goal and my website's goal is to help beginners learn skills that are important to the field of data analytics, and R is a coding language that is very important in data science and data analytics because it allows people to put numbers into context, give more meaning to them, and analyze data. So why data analytics? As we know, data is being created every day by the second, and as the amount of data increases in the world, the need for people to process and analyze it also increases, which means that there's a high demand for data analysts every day. A career in data analytics is also very financially rewarding. According to Glassdoor, a beginner data analyst in New York City can earn around almost $80,000 and work their way up based on their experience. And data analytics is also extremely versatile. You can work in any field ranging from retail to technology to healthcare because data is created in essentially every possible field you can think of. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is install R in RStudio. The link to both of them is in the description below, and you can follow the instructions on those websites to install the softwares onto your computer based on your operating software. And then we have to open RStudio and we have to import the dataset. I've already imported it, but I will show you how to do that. So once you have installed R in RStudio, you need to go to this website called Kaggle and import and download this dataset. The one that I will be working on is linked in the description below. You can click on it, you can download it as a CSV file, and then you have to open it in RStudio. So let's head on to RStudio, and to import the dataset, you click on File, you click Import Dataset, then you click From Text Reader, and then you have to click Browse over here, and then you find your CSV file that you just downloaded, and then you click Import here, and then you import it. I've already imported it, so I don't need to do that. So let's see. So the first thing that we're going to do is look at the dataset itself. You can do that by writing this command, which is view DS salaries. So once I click that, it shows me the entire data set and all the columns. As you can see, we have 12 columns, and they each give you some kind of different information, right? Job title, employment type, etc. Then, so the question that we're trying to answer in this video is, what is the most popular job title from 2020 to 2022 based on this data set? So the first thing that we need to do is make a table. So we can do that by doing this. And once I run this command, I get a bunch of information on each job title. So as we can see that there's 11 data architects in this data set, 3 data science engineers, 2 financial data analysts, and it keeps going. Now the next thing we need to do is make a bar graph. So we can use this line of code to make a bar graph. Okay, so here, this is the type of graph that we're trying to make, which is a bar plot. We're using the table that we just created to make this graph. Main gives us the title of the graph, and then this is what the x-axis is going to be called, and this is what the y-axis is going to be. So let's run that and see what it does. So let's zoom in on this graph, and as we can see, the title of data scientist is the most popular job title because it is the tallest bar in this entire graph. So as we can see, we accomplished our goal of trying to figure out the most popular job title in data science based on this data set, which was the title of data scientist, and we did make a bar plot. So our end product was data scientist, obviously, because it has the highest frequency, meaning that it was the tallest bar in the chart. What else can we do with R? We can use Kaggle to find more data sets, come up with our own questions, and answer them by using charts and graphs, and you can always use this video as an introductory guide. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.